Sree Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskaram. Namaschandikaye. Ya devi sarvabhuteshu shantirupena samsthita. Namastasye 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 namo namaha. Sree Jnanambika Research Foundation for Vedic Living has decided to organize a Shathachandi Yajnam for the eradication of corona disease from the world, as well as for the good health, prosperity, peace, and for the well-being of the entire world. The reason for corona, if we analyze with our scriptures and Shastra, we can understand that the adharma or the papa generated out of adharma is the reason for that. Though all the people in the world doesn't do adharmic karma or papas, somebody is doing adharma. If we keep quiet or don't try to just prevent them from doing that or just ignore that, then also the papa will spread to others. Eka papani kurude bhalam bhungte mahajanaha. The papam done by one person will spread to the others or spread in the world. So, as a solution to get out of the papa, yajnas are the best solution as per Shastra. Yajnam hi shreshtatamam karma. If you do yajna, you will get lot of punya, as well as it will take away all the papas done. This Shathachandi Yajnam is actually the yajnam done by doing 100 avartis of Devi Mahathmyam Parayanam, as well as doing Homa 10 avartis of the entire Devi Mahathmyam. That is, the entire 700 slokas of Devi Mahathmyam will be done as homam with the Sarkara Payasam and also with the ghee. Why we have decided to do the Shathachandi Yajnam? Kalau Chandi Vinayako. In Kali Yuga, the prayer of Chandika Durga Parameswari as well as the Mahaganapati will give the best results. Devi Mahathmyam, or we call it Sapthasathi, is very famous all over India. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, everywhere we can see the Sapthasathi Parayanam or Devi Mahathmya Parayanam. Devi Mahathmya Parayanam is the best solution in Kali Yuga as per the Panditas. Even if we keep a book of Devi Mahathmyam in our house, that itself will protect us from all the negative energies. Devi Mahathmyam has lot of specialities. In Devi Mahathmyam, the Balashruti itself is said by Devi. As she is directly saying it, it is very, very important. Devi says, Ubasarga Nasheshamstu Mahamari Samudbhavan Tada Trivudamutpadam Mahathmyam Shamayen Mama. If my Mahathmyam, my Devi Mahathmyam Parayanam is done, it will wipe away all the difficulties because of the Mahamaris, as well as Tadha Trivudam Utpadam, Adhyatmika, Adidevika, Adibodhika doshas the doshas caused because of the kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mata, malsaryadi gunas, because of the natural calamities like the earthquake, etc., as well as from the doshas or the difficulties caused because of the bhuta, preta, pishachadi durdevatas will be completely removed by the Devi Mahathmya Parayana. So, Devi Mahathmya Parayanam has got such a great benefit. Even for Navagraha doshas, Devi herself says, any doshas caused by the Navagrahas will be rectified by the Devi Mahathmya Parayana. As well as doshas caused by the abhijaras, abhijarani sarvani mandra yandrani bhudale, bhujara gejarashcheva jalajashchopadeshika, sagaja kulaja mala dhagini shagini tata andariksha charagora dhaginyascha mahabala. Like that, in any abhijara dosham, abhijarani sarvani, any abhijara doshas will be removed by Devi Mahathmya Parayana. The doshas because of the durdevatas, andariksha charagora dhaginyascha mahabala, because of the durdevatas that are traveling in the air, they will never come near to one who does the Devi Mahathmya Parayana. Like that, it has got so many special benefits, especially to cure the negatives. Yavat bhumandalam dishte sashaila vanakananam tavat tishtati medinyam sandati putra pautraki dehande paramam sthanam esurair abhidurlabham prapnoti purusho nityam mahamaya prasadadaha. So, one who does the Devi Mahathmyam with kavacham in the start, they will live a very long life, as well as they will get all the bhagyams like putra pautradi generations, and in the end they will get the moksha. So, as well as in the end, Bhalashruti we can see Madim Dharme Gedim Shubham. It will give a drive to the people to do dharma. So, it will direct the people to the path of dharma, because dharmo vishwasya jagata pradishta, because of dharma only the world itself exists. So, following dharma is very important. So, Devi Mahathmya Parayanam will make one to go into the path of dharma. Hence, to get out of the paba caused by the adharma, the best way is to do the Yajnam with Devi Mahathmyam. So, that is why we are doing the Shathachandi Mahayajnam. All can participate in this Mahayajnam, which will be done on October 19th and 20th in our Padashala. Kindly go to our website www.vedicliving.in and just register with your name and nakshatra, so that your name will be included in Devi Mahathmya Parayanam as well as in the Homa Sankalpas. Let us pray to Devi for the well-being of the entire world, so that with her blessings only we can get out of this Mahamari. Namaste Chandika. Namaskar.